Hey guys, are you ready to equip yourself like James Bond on another mission? Today we have compiled a massive collection of 11 insane spy gadgets from all over the web that will let you record gatherings and catch the bad guys in total silence. Make sure to watch this video until the very end, because our number one pick will absolutely blow your head. Before we dive into this undercover countdown, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to help our channel grow, so we can keep finding these cool innovations for you. As usual, you'll find the research date and price disclaimer in the description. Let's go! Number 11. Spy Camera Detector. We start with a gadget that might be a total yuck. This handheld device is intended to locate hidden lenses in any room, but some versions are basically a scam that can't find a camera even if it's right in front of them. It uses infrared lights to reflect off-camera sensors, but if you're looking for a pure genius version, you'd better stick to professional-grade hardware. Number 10. Spy Picture Frame. This is the perfect way to test if your detector actually works. It looks like a premium home accessory, but hidden behind the glass is a microscopic lens. It stands out with a long-life battery and motion-activated recording, so it only captures footage when someone enters the room. Number 9. Spy Smoke Alarm. If you need an eye in the sky for your mission, this is it. It's a hidden camera disguised as an active smoke alarm designed for ceiling mounting. It provides a top-down wide-angle view of the entire room and connects to your Wi-Fi, so you can watch a live 1080p feed from your smartphone anywhere in the world. Number 8. Spy Wall Outlet. Everything new is actually well-forgotten old, but this covert classic just got a high-tech upgrade. It looks exactly like a standard wall outlet, but it's actually stuffed with pro-level hardware to record video. Since it plugs directly into the house's power, you never have to worry about the battery dying right in the middle of a gathering. Number 7. Fake Car Key Hidden Camera. Carrying a regular set of keys is yuck, but this key is a secret agent's best friend. It's a device designed to blend in with your EDC that records HD footage onto an SD card. The mechanical action of the buttons feels just like a real key fob, but one press starts a secret recording mission. Number 6. Professional Spy Pen. When it comes to the classics, this pen is just as useful as a knife. It's a functional writing tool machined with a stylish finish, but it conceals a tiny camera and an SD card. It also features a built-in pocket clip that keeps the pen firmly attached to your shirt while you record undercover B-roll. Number 5. Shirt Button Camera. Ready for a total whoa moment? This is a tiny camera hidden within a standard shirt button, used for the ultimate undercover filming. It's so small it's virtually invisible, and it wires directly to a portable recorder in your pocket, making you look like a pro-level operative on a mission. Number 4. Water Bottle Hidden Camera. This gadget is pure genius. It's a bottle featuring a small hole for a camera lens hidden right behind the label. The best part is that it's designed to hold actual water without damaging the electronics, so you can stay hydrated while you're busy saving the world. Number 3. Spy Alarm Clock. Tired of missing what happens at night? This desktop clock stands out with an integrated AI vision sensor that supports night vision recording. It looks like a sleek bedside accessory, but it can see in absolute darkness, accompanied by a high-clarity wide-angle lens to monitor your workspace or bedroom. Number 2. AI Spy Sunglasses. Look like the most charismatic hero in the room with these high-tech shades. This eyewear is capable of taking photos and recording video completely hands-free. But here is the best part. It uses built-in technology to identify objects and people in real time, giving you a literal superpower for your next mission. Number 1. AI Note Taker Plod Note. Finally, we have the bad dude of the tech world that will absolutely blow your head. This is a slim, credit card-sized device that magnetically attaches to your phone. It uses AI to record calls and gatherings, providing instant written summaries and transcriptions of every word. It's the ultimate productivity tool for any modern secret agent. That's all for today. Comment below, if you were James Bond, which of these gadgets would you take on your next mission? Don't forget to subscribe for more insane tech and gadgets. See you in the next one.